How to get pink blocks in Block Blast. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get those pink blocks in Block Blast. So let's get into this. First, open up the Block Blast app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head over to the Play Store or App Store and grab it from there. It's totally free. Now, once you're inside the app, you'll probably notice that your blocks are all in the default green color. If you want to switch them to pink or any other color, here's what you need to do. Look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the little gear icon. That's your settings menu. Inside there, you'll see an option called Replay. Go ahead and tap on that. Each time you tap Replay, it refreshes the block colors. You'll get different combinations like sky blue, yellow, purple, and yes, sometimes even pink. Here, you can see I got all blocks in blue color. So just keep tapping Replay until those pink blocks show up. It's totally random, so you might get lucky quickly or need a few tries. And that's all there is to it. If this helped you out, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more game tips. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.